So this is a question: how to make money online? If you're making money online, you want to think long term. So you want to go for your $1 million a month. It's 12 million a year after taxes. Depending where you're at, probably 6 or 7 mil. All right. If you want to learn more about making money online, you guys can click right there, scan that barcode. You can enter our giveaways, and also you can enter the Real Bros Millionaire Club, where we teach how to make money. We have tutorials on how to do it. We Zoom calls, Discord. We walk through step by step. On here, we just normally just chill out and have fun. But I'm gonna do a quick tutorial live for you guys. So this is that right there. You can scan that barcode right there. All right. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start brand new for you guys. Alright, so this is the camera, so I don't want to draw in this box. Alright, cool. How to make one. Alright. Alright. In order to make $1 million a month online, guys, you need two things. Traffic. And you need offers. Offers is things you're selling. So let's say you only have $100, $1,000, whatever you have right now. Let's say you got 1,000. With that $1,000, you want to spend that money on traffic. That goes to your offers. And your offers is going to bring you back, let's say, $2,000. So now you're 2xing your money. And then what you want to do is take that money and put it right back into your traffic. So reinvest it, and then it comes out 4,000. And keep growing your money just like that. It's a cycle of growing your money over and over and over and over again. So for traffic sources, you have TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, Etsy, Reddit, 4chan. I'm probably missing some social networks. Instagram. And if you guys want to get exactly what I do step by step, you can join the Real Bros. You can scan the barcode and join the Real Bros Millionaire Club, where we teach how to make money and we go deeper into this. But for now, I see the question. We're going to answer some questions later. For now, I just want to give you guys a basic overview on what to do. So you have your traffic sources there. Now, you need your offers. You want to have different offers. You want to have, offers for $1, $10 offers, $100 offers, $1,000. You want to have all these different offers. Not everyone's going to buy every one, but some people buy certain ones, and you want to have your offers. So, boom. Now, you may be asking, what should I promote on these platforms? That should be the next question. So, boom. You're going to promote things in your niche. Your niche could be health, food, or...
Let me help Ty out here, bros. Alright.
So, boom. You want to promote things in your niche. Health. It could be a food niche. It can be MMA. It can be homes. You can choose any niche in the world that you're personally interested in. I would choose a niche that I wouldn't mind spending my time making content for. So if I'm interested in gardens, I would look for the gardens niche. If I was a doctor, I'll be in the doctor niche. So you want to choose a niche of something that you know, something you're interested in, somewhere your family knows. Choose a niche like that. And then once you choose your niche, you're going to want to make content for your niche. Content that they enjoy, that gives them value. So boom. So now you chose your niche. You create content for your niche. You post the content on these platforms over here. And then you take your $1,000 and you put it into ads. You take your $1,000, you put it into ads on the platform, and the ads send people to your offers. So now, let's say, for example, I chose the food niche, right? And I had, gummy bears. Let me make sure you guys can read that. I had gummy bears. For $10, I sold burgers, like Mr. Beast, for example. He has gummy bears, burgers. I had $100 steak, and then I had
Stream Shop. Thanks.
gold steak. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. I had all these different offers, and I'm sending traffic. They're seeing all the food. They're seeing the offers. A percentage of these people are gonna like it always. So let's say I convert at a 1% conversion rate, and I send, say, $1,000 at $1 person. Let's say I send 1,000 people at a 1% conversion rate. So that means 10 people are gonna buy some of these items. I don't know what they're gonna buy, but they're gonna buy some of it, and it may not be a profitable business, and you may have to restructure your business. But if the profit comes out and you double your money, triple, quadruple, sometimes you get 5 to 10x your money doing this. In the Real Bros Millionaire Club, we teach you how to 5x, 10x your money, ways that you can spend 10 to 15 minutes a day and 10x your money, 5x your money quickly. So you can join there if you guys want to see exactly how to do it. But this is the basic way of how to make $1 million a month online. Now you got your $2, and then you just keep repeating the cycle. You keep reinvesting money into the ads, traffic, coming on your offers, and you just reinvest until you're at 1 million a month. And that's our quick 5-minute tutorial on how to make money online.